Hello everyone, good day. Today, we will be presenting the two of the four important topics in conic section, the circle and the parabola. As we know, the conic sections include the parabola, circle, ellipse, hyperbola, and each has its own unique equation and priorities. Mathematical characteristics and solution of these curves as part of our deep study in practical physics. So, let's start. So, a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point called the center. What is our standard form equation? So, our equation for standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where h and k is the center and r is the radius. Where the center is at the origin, it must be 0, 0. So, let's have a example 1 right here. So, find the equation of a circle with center at the origin and a radius of 5 units. But I said earlier, if the center is at origin, must be 0, 0, right? So let's write it. So what I said earlier, our center now is 0, 0, and our radius is 5. So let's write the equation: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And so ang 0 natin dito ay 0, isulat na lang natin ay x squared, ganun din sa k, hindi na din ako may 0, so isulat na lang natin ay y squared, then yung radius natin 5 squared, so x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared. So 5 times 5 will be 25. So our now is 25 and our radius is now 25. Let's check if it's check. Yep, it's correct. Here is our equation, then 5 squared will be 25. So how we get that one? So let's have a sample 2. Find the equation of a circle centered at 3 and negative 2 and with the radius of 16. So it's right 3 2. This is our h and this is our k. Then our radius now here is 16, right? So first we're gonna write the equation: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So what is our h? 3, and what is our k? 2. So x minus 3 squared plus y. So our k right here is negative 2, then the sign here is negative, that would be positive. So positive 2 squared is equal to our radius now here is equal to 16 squared. So let's get this one. So let's write it: x minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to, so what is the 16 squared? 16 is equal to 32. So let's check if correct. So yep, it's correct. So let's move on to general form. So what is our general form equation? This is what the general form equation is. This one. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you the 3 steps to get the equation of general form. So step 1, expand the square root of binomials using standard form. And our step 2 is arrange the term. And our step 3, combine the term. So let's have a practice right here. Okay. So this is our equation, right? So what I said earlier is expand the square root of binomials using standard form. So this is our standard form. Then let's expand it. So how to expand it? I'm gonna show you how to expand the standard form. So so this is our standard form, right? Let's multiply the first term twice, so that would be x squared is 1. Then second step is multiply the first term, then the last term, so that would be negative hx, then multiply by 2, so that would be negative 2hx. Then the next step is multiply the last term, so h times h is equal to h squared. So same process for the y minus k, so multiply the first term twice, x squared, then multiply the first term and the last term, so ky, negative ky, then multiply by 2, so that would be negative 2 ky, then multiply twice ulit sa last term, so that would be k squared, then r squared. So that is the process of how we expand the standard form. So second step, arrange the term. So let's arrange the term lang. X squared minus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h2 h squared plus k squared is equal to r squared. So that's how we arrange. And the third step is combine the term. So let's write x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus 2 squared plus k squared is I minus y r squared is equal to 0. So nilipat lang natin yung radius natin dito, so then in-equal natin sa 0. So how we get that one. So let's have a example. So this is example 1. Write the general equation of a circle with center 4 and negative 1 and a radius of 7 units. So our center now here is this one, negative 4 and negative 1, and our radius now is 7. So our first step kanina nabanggit niya na using standard form, right? So let's get the standard form for this. So let's get the standard form. X minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 7 squared. So 7 times 7 is 49. So nakuha na natin yung standard form. Sunod natin ay let's expand. So i-apply natin yung first step natin kanina, which is the expand using standard form. Sabi niya. So let's combine. Let's expand the standard form. So x times x will be squared. So that way how we get this one. Then x times 4, we have 4x, then multiply to 2, that will be 8, negative 8x. So that way how we get the negative 8x, and multiply twice, the last term multiplied twice. 4 times 4 is 16. That way how we get this 16 right here. So same process for the y plus 1, same process. So that way how we get this 1. Then let's arrange it. So let's arrange that one. X squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 2y plus 17 minus 49 is equal to 0. Na-arrange na siya. Then let's do the third step. Combine. Tama ba? Yes, combine. So x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 2y minus 32 is equal to 0. So kung kanina, this is now our h squared, then this is our radius, diba? So 7, sundin lang natin yan. 17 minus 49 is equal to 32. So that how we get the negative 32. So now let's move on how to graph a circle. So here is the sample. Sketch the graph of a circle with radius 4 and center at 0, 0. So the center na naman ay 0, then our radius is 4. So is yung x, yung sulat lang natin yung isang graph. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared to r squared. Na, di ba guys? So dh tayo get 0, which is 0, in our case 0. So d x squared plus y squared only because our center is 0, not in the h and k. So our radius is 4 squared. So 4 squared is 4 times 4 is 16. So that is what we get, the 16. So let's start to graph it. So our radius now right here is 4, right? 4. So let's count for the upward and horizontal one. Ay, wait, the vertical one and the horizontal. So 4 point up and 4 point down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ganun lang din pa left pa right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's how we get the perfect circle. So that is the process of solving the standard form, then solving the general form, then graphing a circle. So that's it for the circle. Then Miss Krishna gonna show you how to solve the parabola. So let's move on to her.
Definition of parabola. A parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are the equidistant from a fixed point called the focus and fixed line called the directrix. Standard form. Vertical. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k. Horizontal. X equals a y minus k squared plus h, where hk is the vertex and determines the direction and width of the parabola. Example, find the equation of parabola that opens downward with vertex at positive 2 and negative 4, and a equals negative 1. Vertex, negative 2 and positive 4, and a equals positive 1. Y equals a x minus h squared plus k. Y equals 2, x minus 0 squared to 0. Y equals 2x squared. Vertical. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Horizontal. Y equals ay squared plus by plus c. Step 1. Expand the squared term. Step 2. Distribute. Step 3. Simplify. Here's another example. Equals 2x squared plus 2x minus 1 squared plus 3. Y equals 2x squared minus 4x. Here's another example. Let's convert y so the general form is y equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Finally, let's talk about graphing a parabola symmetrical about its axis. This example, the graph of y equals x squared, shows a parabola that opens upward with vertex at 0, 0.